Pickering is at an inflection point, and this is the moment it's coming into its own.
It's one of the most exciting growth hubs in the GTA today.
As the gateway into Durham, this is the first stop.
Pickering has never really had a city center, but we're finally going to get one.
Pickering City Centre is a 55-acre master plan community in the heart of Pickering, making it the prime location to evolve as we move into this next chapter of the city's growth.
This is one of the most ambitious projects in the entire GTA.
It's incredibly rare to be able to build out a new downtown city center with great access to transit, to employment, retail, new civic infrastructure, and an appetite from local politicians to build the right type of communities.
It'll be a walkable, sustainable, vibrant downtown.
The opportunity to think about it holistically makes a better environment. It's more integrated than most parts of the city because it's a kind of singular master plan vision, which is lively, active, and connected.
It's critical to have access to the core amenities that make lives simpler. We're delighted to say we've partnered with the Cleveland Clinic. Every resident will have access to world-class healthcare without having to leave your building.
All of that walkability within the community itself is a fundamental part of creating a comfortable neighborhood.
We have great partnerships with the City of Pickering, and we have the focus of having one team building out an incredible master plan vision with all the building blocks for success around us.
It's the opportunity to really make an impact on a city that is transforming into a first-class urban environment.